Welcome to this tutorial for KidneyDiet. KidneyDiet is an app that helps people with kidney disease make better dietary choices. If you have chronic kidney disease, becoming aware of the 3 Ps, that's phosphorus, potassium, and protein, as well as sodium and fluids, is of utmost importance. This short example explains how to edit your personalized guidelines. When you first set up the app, you had to enter numerical values in the fields next to the nutrients based on what your doctor or dietitian has recommended for your personal health and diet considerations. If you didn't know what those values should be at the time you set up the app, you may have selected one of the default prompts. It's important to review your guidelines with your healthcare professional and keep them up to date. To edit your guidelines, select the icon comprised of 3 lines in the top left corner. This will open a flyout menu. Here, you will select Edit Guidelines. Then follow the prompts to update each numerical field. Select the Done button to move to the next field. When you finish updating the guidelines, select the Save button on the bottom right corner. Thanks for taking time to learn more about KidneyDiet.